Kaolin is a kind of non-metallic mineral. It is a kind of clay and clay rock, mainly composed of kaolinite clay minerals. Because of its white and fine, also known as dolomite. If you want to increase the output by increasing the speed, you must first do the following points. First, ensure the material conditions is to ensure the adaptability of the material to rapid prototyping, such as whether the binder content can be increased. The second is to increase the pressure of kaolin ball press. At the same time of increasing the speed, we can correspondingly increase the pressure of kaolin ball press. 3 is to ensure sufficient feeding. If you want to improve the speed and pressure of the way and methods to increase production, you need to ensure adequate feeding.